Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is pineapple and coconut smoothie. Today's recipe doesn't involve any cooking skills, but it is very healthy and beneficial. Okay, we're gonna start by peeling the oranges. Take the top, the bottom off, and we slide the knife like that. And then after we're gonna take the segments of the oranges. I'm using two oranges here. Take the top, the bottom off, and we peel the oranges. Okay, now we need to take the segments of the orange. Here there is the membrane. We need to slide the knife near the membrane to the middle and then push it out like that. We have a container in there and we slide it like that. We take the knife and slide it. Then I squeeze, so I take all the juices out and we do the other one. Remember, there's the membrane. Put the knife near the membrane, slide to the middle and push forward, outwards, sorry. Slide and outwards. The knife is doing the job. Look, in and out, in and out. Squeeze, so we take all the juices out, and there's the oranges. Done. We add the oranges into the blender and we prepare the pineapple now. Cut the top. I'm using half of this pineapple. Half is enough. Take the bottom off and we peel. It's the same as the oranges. We make sure we don't leave any skin. We peel the pineapple, cut it by half, and then by another half, so we can take the stalk out. I take the rest. By half, so I'm using this half again, and then we take the stalk out. We cut it chunks and we put it into the blender. For ingredients and step-by-step method with pictures, please do log in on our website robandjas.com or like us on our Facebook page. We also have Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit from this project. Thank you very much for that. So now we've got the pineapple. Now the carrots. We peel. I always have a container in here for the peelings. And roughly cut the carrots and we add the carrots into the blender. What we tend to find really good in smoothies in our family is that when we are off, we take the top, the bottom out. When we are off, we are not working, we take breakfast in the morning and then as a snack, we blend a smoothie and we keep us till dinner, evening. So we are eating healthy and cheaper as well. So that's the carrots, the banana. We add the banana and the coconut milk in there. Beautiful. We blitz together. I can clean down now. That should be ready. Beautiful. And we can serve. How easy is that? How easy is that? It's a good, healthy, nice snack. We put some ice and shredded coconut on top. Pineapple and coconut smoothie. For more videos, please click the right hand button to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more ideas, recipes, ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.